Hi my friends, this is Adam Pecoraro from Flexoraro Fitness. Today we're going to be watching a high intensity interval training workout or HIIT workout with my lovely wife Rebecca and my friend Bob. And they're going to be doing a 5 movement HIIT workout. This is following a 20-minute strength workout, and we are going to be starting with a inverted row, taking that into bicep curls, and then we're going to be doing a inverted military press. So the inverted row, they're excellent addition to a full body workout. They can improve upper body strength. They can improve grip strength. And because of the posture, they recruit the glutes, the hamstrings, and the core. Now, because they do involve the biceps, you take that into 2 standing bicep curls. We start to get a little more overload, and then continue that right through to this inverted or reverse shoulder press. It's a great exercise to target the shoulders, and to a lesser degree, it still targets the biceps and also the forearms and your lats. So we have a wonderful bicep workout while we hit other major muscle groups doing this exercise sequence. Okay, so next we have a diagonal chop into a shoulder press. This is a unilateral exercise, so I've asked Becca and Bob to do 30 seconds per arm. When they do the diagonal chop, they got some rotation, so they got core stability and shoulder strength, and then we bring that back to a top-loaded position, and then we do a classic shoulder press. So you got to remember that a lot of the exercises are to disguise repetition, and these two know how to do shoulder presses, and they do them all the time. It's a nice way to keep your muscle groups adapting and growing. Next exercise is your classic RDL. I have them do this almost weekly. So they're trying not to have their bars touch the ground. They're doing very lightweight. It's not max deadlift weight. And the idea is to keep time under tension and to maintain stability and correct form, especially in their back as their legs fatigue and they continue to rep out maximum quality reps. This workout, as per usual, is 60 seconds of maximum reps with a 30-second recovery interval. They did 3 rounds in total. Okay, so now we got single leg squats. Oh man. Now notice that Bob's using a little bit of kinetic link with his foot. There's a great attempt at just doing it off the single leg. And sometimes we lose balance. And when that happens, hey, it's totally normal. Shake it off, try again. DOG! Sorry everyone, DOG wants to be a part of the video. So the single leg squat, or any squat for that matter, is always a great way to tone and strengthen your legs, your glutes. Strengthening the core muscles and increasing flexibility is a part of regular squats. This enhances the challenge and the benefit. It's an ideal exercise for athletes, people who do different sports, even if it's just weekend warrior type of stuff, or people who run. Becca and Bob do kickboxing with me. But here's the thing, is it good for your knees? Well, because single leg squats are so difficult, you have to remember that this is more of an advanced exercise. It puts you at a high risk for injury when you perform it without proper form. And most people have poor knee control when they try to lower down into the bottom position of the squat. So if you do not have the ability, you can always give yourself an aid like a wall or a chair. But bottom line is, you have to listen to your body. If your knee is shaking, if your knee is aching, if you don't feel safe, stick to your standard squats for now. And now we have a little bit of plyometrics. Squat into a vertical switch. We like to call this a runner's hop. So we drop down, switch, drop down, switch. Now notice that Bob's just going to his toes, right? Toes on the front foot and on the back foot. He's not dropping down into a lunge, he's only dropping down into a squat. The spring up is just a scissor switch. great exercise to keep your heart rate up and just continue to overload the legs, which after the Romanian deadlift, the single leg squats, and now this, whew, those legs be feeling it. But that's okay, because now we're gonna torture our arms with maximum rep push-ups. Oh man, sounds like a party. So when they do their maximum rep push-ups, it's at the end of their routine. They're gonna take a break and they're gonna repeat the routine 3 times as I said. But the idea is that you wanna try to completely overload. Maintaining good form is of course key, so for some people an overload might be 5 from the knees. I've encouraged Bob and Becca to take rests and come back in, take rests and come back in. As long as their joints aren't hurting, as long as they're not falling on their face, they keep going. And that's it. Good job, Bob and Beck. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you leave a comment, I would be happy to respond. And I do hope you have a good rest of your day.